ABC Towing, how's it going? Just spoke with you on the phone. Jason Lee here. Just spoke with you about possibly sending some referrals over for you as far as the towing business is concerned. But I did want to go over a couple things and kind of show you what I do, how it works. Um, Step number one is definitely going after the specific keywords that are bringing you the most traffic. That's pretty easy. We could use AdWord Keyword Planner or Google AdWords Keyword Planner, even run a little bit of Google AdWords to kind of see where the traffic is really coming from, and then really dial in the keywords as far as your website's concerned and the content on your website. Two is the content. Once we do the keyword research, maybe mix in a little bit of the paid traffic to see exactly where your big money's coming from, we can adjust the content on your website. One of the I wanted to kind of show you one of my websites that I built. This one's just a few weeks old. It's a carpet cleaning company. It's basically was buried back on page like 1000, but since I started working on it and adding all this authoritative, unique content, it's slowly coming up, and I've gotten some really good calls on it. So this is basically what I'd like to see for your homepage. This is over 1,000 words on your homepage, laced in with all the popular keywords and different variations thereof. Where is this? Back to this graphic. Oh, here we go. Okay, so lots of unique authoritative content. Think of Wikipedia when we think about this. We want to link to all the different pages. We want to have the most comprehensive and unique content on towing specifically. Would be something that it was definitely. I'm looking at your site here. So homepage, definitely thin on content. Like I said, here's an example of one of my sites. Basically, I've got anything and everything you can think of on this homepage, and Google loves to see that. The more Wikipedia-esque you can be, the higher you're going to rank. Let me just see here. Mobile friendly as well is kind of a big deal. I don't know if you're mobile friendly. Is a little test here. We can see if okay. So that's one thing we need to do is get you mobile friendly as well. That's a big thing. Google's penalizing you because you're not mobile friendly. As of April of 2015, the update that came out, Google now kind of gives preferential treatment to people who are mobile friendly. Obviously, this is a mobile friendly site. It's packed full of great content. I've got multiple pages on all the different services we offer, and that's kind of the rundown on that. Content, lots of unique content, lots of authoritative content mixed in with your keywords. That's a home run. So that's the on-page optimization portion of what we do. Down here, 3, we have local citations. Basically, this is just a numbers game. We look up your competition, find out where they're signed up for, the local directories, and which ones they're signed up for. If they're signed up for 100, we do all of those 100 plus do another 100 for you. So this is pretty straightforward. Yellow Pages, Manta, Hot Frog, Foursquare. There's hundreds of different citations we can sign up for. So basically, that's pretty cut and dry there. Next is Google AdWords. Like I said, if we use this smartly and effectively, we can really pinpoint exactly what keywords are bringing you the most traffic. This wouldn't be a long-term strategy for me. This is typically a short term, let's see where the traffic is coming from, adjust the content, and just hit a home run. That's one thing that I can manage as well, and kind of look at the data and crunch that down and say, okay, we really need to optimize for this keyword, that keyword. Let's get the top 1, 2, and 3 plus the secondary 4, 5, and 6 keyword long tail keyword stuff. Now, pillar 5 or number 5 here is really the backbone of how Google works, and it works by looking at backlinks or votes to your site. This little green house here is your domain, which is abctowvegas.com. So this little greenhouse is abctow.com. Google likes to see votes from other websites pointing towards yours. So if I went on my carpet cleaning site here and made this Lifeblood link point to your site, so if you clicked on Lifeblood, it would go right to your website. That's a backlink. Just real quick, I don't know if you knew that or not, but that's exactly what we're talking about here when we talk about organic ranking. So we really want to see you. Well, I looked up ABC Towing, but let's just assume we looked up Towing Las Vegas. The citations that I spoke about, signing up for the directories, is really going to help you in this local map search. What I'm talking about right now is the backlinks, and that's gonna really work on getting your organic ranking up. That's gonna push you up through the organic ranks from page 5 to page 1. I don't promise everybody that we can get to spot number 1, but we can definitely get you to page number 1, if not spot number 1. It's just something that I don't do. I don't promise spot number 1 because it makes everybody go crazy, like, oh, when are we going to get there? Well, my job is not necessarily to get you to spot number 1, it's to get the phone ring and to get you a ton more business. So what we do with the backlinks, naturally, your domain is going to have backlinks. Other news sites, other towing sites, other websites out there that are linking back to you. Now, not every backlink is created equal. Every one of these little blue dots that's linking to you, or all these websites, may or may not have authoritative power or domain authority. They may not have a lot of backlinks themselves, so a link from them is pretty much useless. You can have thousands and thousands of these, and they're not going to do you any good. They're not going to push your organic rank up, because they do not have a lot of authority. A lot of authority, specifically, let's just talk about Wikipedia. Wikipedia has some of the top ranking authority that you could possibly get as far as Google's concerned. If you were to get a link from Wikipedia, that would be worth 1 million or 2 million worthless, no power links. So what I'm trying to outline to you is the way we build these backlinks is through a private network. We go out and find these high-powered, highly relevant, expired domains that somebody just finally gave up, but they have a lot of power. They have a lot of juice behind them. So what we do is we go buy them, we go put them back online, and now we have control of that power. So we can backlink a powerful link from that site to yours, effectively driving up your organic rank. So that's going to transfer all the juice and all the power from that high-powered, high-authority domain. It's going to transfer it to you. So if we mix all 5 of these, or at least all 4 of these, we don't necessarily have to do the AdWords and do the paid traffic, but if we do really good keyword search, keyword research, a great authoritative and comprehensive content on your on-page stuff, and mix that with some great citations and great backlinks over time, you will be on page 1, and you will start ranking up through page 1. You will start ranking up through all of these map listings. You know, there's lots of guys out there doing towing, right? Well, we can look all these guys up and see what kind of citations they have. How many does Fast Towing have? How many does Quality Towing have? We can look up all these top 3, 4, 5 guys and see, well, they have 100. Okay, where are they? Let's go. Let's go get those citations plus do some more. So basically, that's the backbone is the link building. The citations are easy. The content's easy. We can write a bunch of stuff and get it relevant in your website. We can design you a new website and kind of put it on a mobile platform like this, and get that up fairly quickly, get some nice content up there, link your domain into that, and really start dripping a lot of influence or influential backlinks on it. So that's basically kind of a quick overview. Hope I didn't bore you. Hope you found it at least educational. And please get back to me, and I'll call you about the towing calls, because I gotta call that other guy and figure out if he really wants to keep doing that or not. But I'd love to give them to you. You seem like a really good guy. You seem like you could handle all that stuff. So get back to me. My email address and my phone number are in the bottom of the email. Okay? Thank you very much. Bye-bye.